Hello YouTube! Welcome to a new SYNTH Anatomy video. Today we'll check out the Mooer Ocean Machine multi-effect processor. It includes a reverb, 2 delay effects and a looper. In this video I will check out the 15 different delay effects. They range from very classical delay to very special experimental ones. So let's start. For making this video I will use a Premium FM2 FM synthesizer. The first delay is a digital delay with very clean repeats. So let's play a bit. In my opinion, is this digital mode very clean and proper. It has also a bit of colder character. The next one is the analog mode. It emulates the vintage BBD style delay. Let's take also the same preset here. I'll go here a bit down, again with the analog one has for me a nice character, more character than the digital one, and it's also warmer. So it's not an analog one, but it's an emulation of it. And for me they emulate here nicely this analog character of this vintage BBD style delay. The next mode is the tape mode. It's an emulation of a tape echo. Let's see also how this sounds. I take here another preset. Let's take here movie. In my opinion, sounds this tape echo emulation excellent because it has this warm character, and at the end your sounds are bending a bit, so they become bigger and it sounds really nice. The next one is a vintage echo rack emulation. They take here also the same preset from our synthesizer. Also here is the emulation excellent made, in my opinion. They have recreated this very nice sound of this vintage Ectorec, and for me you can create here very deep atmospheric sounds, and I'm pretty sure if you combine this with a reverb you get very big atmospheric sounds here. The next one is the liquid. I must warn you, we enter now in a new stage, so from the very normal ones to the experimental ones, and they sound very crazy. And the liquid is a digital delay with a modulated phaser repeat. Let's go to the liquid. I'm using here still the same preset for the synthesizer. The liquid is for me a very special delay because you have in the end this very phasey sounds, and it's very different than a normal delay, and it sounds excellent if you combine it with a reverb. So I give you now a bit with a reverb how this sounds. You heard now this liquid works excellent with a reverb in combination, and you can create extremely nice textures with with phaser inside, and that is really cool and can be also very special and very experimental. And if you turn it to a lot, it can go also very crazy. Then the next one is the rainbow. It's also a special effect pitch delay with modulation inside. Let's take here another preset. Take here Bow Bow. Same as the liquid, the rainbow works also excellent with reverb inside. So let's add also a reverb. You see, this rainbow is also very experimental, like the liquid, and I recommend you to also use here a reverb with it, or maybe also the second delay, so you receive extremely nice, more experimental oriented ambient or atmospheric sounds with a lot of movement inside. Really nice here. Then we have the crystal. Next very special delay, it's a special effect pitch delay, also with modulation inside. Let's take also the crystal here. I take here another preset. I take here maybe a E piano. Take off here the reverb. Also here we can add a reverb to add this even bigger, this sound, or this very experimental sound. You can hear that this crystal is quite special because the notes becoming higher and higher when the delay goes longer, and this is also quite a cool feature, especially if you use here the reverb. This can be really big, and also with the movement inside, it's really nice. The next delay mode is the low bit. It's a delay with a bit crusher inside. Let's take also here the E-piano preset. Quite cool delay mode here, because you get this bit crusher sound inside a delay, and it is really cool for creating dirty, harsh sounds with a simple, normal sounding synthesizer sounds, for example. Then we have the fuzz. It's a delay with a fuzz distortion inside. Let's take here maybe another preset. I take here. We can take here. Take here an organ. Also here a quite interesting delay, which gives you a delay with a distortion inside, and which gives you also a sound design tool for making dirty, harsh delay sounds.